our new lesson number 7, environmental changes. How there are change in the environment, what are the reasons behind it, and how we are also responsible in polluting environment. All we will study in this chapter. Air, which is mixture of gases, covers the earth from all sides, is known as atmosphere. And because of industries, vehicles, power stations, home appliances, which all are human activities, our atmosphere gets polluted. There is change in atmosphere also because of global warming. Down in table you can see some region like Russia, Iran, Brazil, Norway, Philippines and Saudi Arabia. The extreme climatic condition they face may be because of tropical zone they lie in. Now, let us clear what is weather and climate. Most of time many remain confused that maybe both are same, but no, both climate and weather are different condition. Weather, it is always for short term variation in atmosphere. For example, we say weather was good yesterday, it was child, or weather is very humid today. Means weather keeps on changing at every point of time. This was all about weather. Now, whereas climate is condition over for long period which calculate condition of rain, temperature and moisture for over more than 35 years. Example, climatic change has become a burning issue worldwide, or say climate of Gujarat is completely different than 35 years ago due to growing industrial estate. So, weather is for short term and climate which exists for more than 35 to 40 years. Now, let us see greenhouse farming and its effects. In short, greenhouse technology is a technique of providing favorable environmental condition to plants by growing them in a greenhouse, that is a structure with walls and roofs made mainly of transparent material such as glass. Usually countries with a cold climate use this technique more to hampers the growth of plants and vegetables. The roofs are made of glass or cloth as if trace excessive heat. Now see this picture. Different climatic situations are shown. First picture is of drought region, which is an extended period of dry weather. Second picture is of desert. It is a region of land that is very dry because it receives less rainfall. Third picture is of greenery scene with adequate water. And fourth picture we can see region covered with snow. And the fifth picture we can see thick green forest, whereas in last picture you can see over excessive causing flood. So just to show climate differs time. Now let's see what is global warming. Global warming occurs in carbon dioxide and other air and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere. It absorbs sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. This effect makes the Earth warmer, which subsequently reaches to global warming.